Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED screen notifications on Sony Xperia device. To make your device look cooler, you can use LED screen notifications. Here you can see the video that I present to the end. First of all, you can download the lighting application. Okay, because I have downloaded here, so I will open the application. Okay, if there is any request, you can click OK. And turn on display over other apps for each lighting like this. Well, after that here you can go back and click Allow. And then here will appear some settings related to this application. Okay, and now you can tap the topmost option. And then you can set border colors like this. Okay, and then you can also set the border type in this section, whether in the form of unique, name, emoji, and others. Okay, after that here you can set the run style like this. Okay, and then you can also set the speed, size, radius top, and radius bottom. Okay, after that here you can set the display node according to your device. Well, and then here you can also enable display hole like this. But if you enable this feature, then you cannot use the display node feature. Okay, and then you can also activate the infinity display between U and V like this. Well, after that here you can go back. And here you can enable each lighting for some app notifications like this. Well, and then here you can also set the duration of the notification between 1 to 30 seconds. Okay, and then when you're done, you can go back and test the feature on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use LED screen notifications on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.